Hello, welcome to Fun Language Phonics video. And today we will learn about the final sounds or sounds at the end of the words. This is letter S. Letter S gives the sound S, S, S. And when we put S or double S at the end of each word, you have to sound S at the end of the word. Let's have a look. Number 1. Bus. Bus. Number 2. Kiss. Kiss. Number 3. Pass. Pass. Number 4. Gas. Gas. Next is the final sound with letter T. Letter T gives the sound T, T, T. And when we put letter T at the end of the word, don't forget to sound T. Let's try. Number 1. Bat. Bat. Number 2. Cat. Cat. Number 3. Sit. Sit. Number 4. Hat. Hat. Number 5. Net. Net. Next is the sound of letter X at the end of the word. Let's see. Number 1. Box. Box. Number 2. Fox. Fox. Number 3. Ox. Ox. Number 4. Six. Six. Number 5. Fix. Fix. And that's all for today. Don't forget the final sound at the end of the word. And see you later. Bye bye.